Come on, Matt. You lost. Just puke. Just puke it out. Just. Bleh, bleh, bleh.
Fucking asshole, that's all I know.
You're a fucking asshole.
Take the potato skin.
How you gonna call the birthday girl a fucking asshole?
I say you guys.
Okay, you guys.
Are you guys? Are you
guys?
When you do a use guys, that implies.
What do you think of this?
Wow, this shit is fucking fun.
This is way better than
You're not puking?
car, right?
I'm going to. Fuck me. Fuck me, hold tight.
What the fuck? Me, what?
Pull my pants down, greasing up, and fucking me. Shit, god damn it, I'm over shit.
God damn.
Fua! Sacar fua!
I say, God damn. Girl.
Woo, girl!
Girl.
Oh, we don't love this motherfucker.
I say, God damn. I say, God damn. I love you guys very much. I just do.
Excuse me. No, not on your birthday, you can't say that.
I can't say I love you guys.
Oh,
I can't even concentrate.
I just love you now so much.
do that again.
Alright, let's keep going.
Say stop, alright?
Matt is playing still, but we gotta keep going. We still gotta like.
I'm playing still? Oh, I'm gonna lose big time.
I said boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.